Hello everyone. In today's episode, I will be talking about partition of a number. So what do we mean by a partition of a number? A partition of a natural number n denoted by p of n is the sequence of decreasing positive integers whose sum is equal to n. For example, let us consider the number n is equal to 1. As we can see, 1 can only be written as 1. So, p of 1 is equal to 1. When n is equal to 2, we can observe that we can write 2 as 2, of course, and it can also be written as 1 plus 1. So, p of 2, the total number of ways are 2. When n is equal to 3, so we can easily observe that 3 can be written as 3, it can also be written as 2 plus 1, and it can also be written as 1 plus 1 plus 1, so that the p of 3 is equal to 3. So, the total number of ways to partition the number 3, they are 3. What about the number n is equal to 4? Is the answer is 4? Let's check it out. 4 can be written of course as 4, 3 plus 1, 2 plus 2, it can also be written as 2 plus 1 plus 1, and it can also be further written as 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So, in fact, instead of 4, there are total of 5 different ways, which means that p of 4 is equal to 5. What about n is equal to 5? Let me take a pause. Please try it out. Or have you started looking for a pattern or deriving the formula for the same? Let's check it out. 5 can be written as 5, and as a decreasing sequence it can be written as 4 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, and 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that we have p of 5. There are total of 7 possible different ways. So, it is 7. What if n is equal to 6? Observe that 6 can be partitioned in the following different ways. So, count the total number of possible partitions of the number 6. We have p of 6 is equal to 11. So, let us compile this information in one table, and up to 6 you can easily observe we have already write down for the number of partitions. Number 1, it has one only partition. Number 2 has got 2 partition, number 3 has got 3 partition, number 4 has now got 5 partitions, the number 5 has got 7 partition, and the number 6 has got 11 partition. So, you may take this as a challenge work for you. What about p of 7? What about p of 8? Already it is provided as an answer that p of 7 is 15, P of 8 is 22, P of 9 is 30 and P of 10 is equal to 42. Are you able to observe some pattern? You may wish to derive the formula for the same. If you are able to do so, you are really genius. You deserve the Fields Medal. Because till date, no mathematicians around the globe is able to have the direct formula for the number of partitions of a given natural number n. Yet, we have this information available with us that P of n for n is equal to 10, as we have seen in the table, it is 42. When n is 20, the total number of partition becomes 627, and as n increases, P of n also increases. For example, if we talk about n is equal to 100, so P of 100 is approximately 200 millions. So it's a huge number. Ramanujanji was fascinated by this concept of partition of numbers. He worked in deriving the formula for the same. He could be able to have the asymptotic formula for the larger value of n. So if the number n is larger, then the partition of a number is approximately equal to given by the following formula. There are certain properties of partition of a number known to us, that P of 5n plus 4 is always divisible by 5. Which simply means when we start putting n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So we have P of 4, P of 9, P of 14, P of 19 and so on. So one can easily note that they will be always divisible by 5. Similarly, there are more properties as shown here. P of 7n plus 5 is always divisible by 7. P of 11n plus 6 is always divisible by 11. P of 25n plus 24 is always divisible by 25. P of 35n plus 19 is divisible by 35. So here is a task for you. Write all possible P of 7. In the last table, I have already shown that P of 7 is 15. So there are total of 15 possible partitions of number 7. List down all 15 possible cases. And the another task, write down the all possible P of 8, and P of 8, as it is already shown, it is 22. I'll come back with some another interesting idea in mathematics in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.